Hey there! Welcome back to Budget Buying. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink options to keep your storage cool, fast, and reliable during heavy workloads and gaming. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the FinalCool M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink. The FinalCool M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink, available in Glacier M2 and Glacier M2 Pro models, is designed to provide efficient thermal management for high-speed solid-state drives. The Glacier M2 features an all-aluminum comb-shaped structure with 8 wind channels, enabling rapid airflow and heat dissipation. With a heatsink thickness of 6.3 millimeters and an additional 0.5 to 1 millimeter high-performance thermal conductive silicon wafer, the total height after SSD installation ranges from 6.8 to 7.3 millimeters, making it compatible with devices like the PS5 and PCIe 4.0 solid-state drives. Its compact design ensures that installation under a desktop motherboard's graphics card does not face height restrictions. The aluminum alloy shell undergoes deep anodizing treatment, and the hollow base incorporates a heat dissipation structure. Precision cutting and anodic sandblasting give the surface a fine texture, while providing anti-corrosion and rust-resistant properties, ensuring that the heatsink remains clean and durable over time. Multiple thermal conductivity features, including 18 hollow air inlet holes at the base, facilitate rapid transfer of heat generated during high-speed SSD operation to the heatsink, maintaining stable performance. The Glacier M2 Pro introduces a rotary flow guide air duct and a hollowed-out base, optimizing heat dissipation further and preventing SSD overheating during intensive workloads. Together, these features make the FinalCool M2 NVMe SSD heatsink a practical solution for gamers, PC enthusiasts, and anyone looking to enhance the performance and longevity of their solid-state drives by maintaining optimal operating temperatures. The engineering of these heatsinks balances compactness with thermal efficiency, ensuring high-speed SSDs operate reliably even under demanding conditions, without compromising compatibility with modern gaming consoles or desktop setups. Coming in at number 4, the Coolleo M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink. The Coolleo M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink is designed to tackle one of the most pressing challenges for high-performance M.2 SSDs, heat management. While these compact storage drives offer ultra-fast read and write speeds, their small form factor causes significant heat buildup during intensive data operations, which can affect performance and longevity. The Coolleo SSD heatsink addresses this issue through a carefully engineered design that maximizes thermal efficiency. At the core of the design are dual high-conductivity copper heat pipes combined with an all-aluminum body. This configuration efficiently channels heat away from the SSD, preventing thermal throttling. The grill-style structure further increases the heat dissipation area, while multiple strategically placed air ducts ensure continuous airflow, allowing heat to fully interact with the surrounding environment. The anode sandblasted finish enhances heat transfer while maintaining a sleek aesthetic. Complementing the metallic structure, the heatsink is equipped with high thermal conductivity silicon pads, which provide direct thermal contact with the SSD. This multi-layer approach ensures that heat is swiftly conducted from the drive to the heatsink, maintaining optimal operating temperatures even under heavy workloads. Installation is straightforward, and the design is compatible with a wide range of M.2 SSDs, making it an accessible solution for anyone looking to safeguard their drives. By keeping the SSD cool, the Coolleo M.2 NVMe heatsink helps maintain consistent performance, protects against potential data transmission errors, and extends the lifespan of the drive. For enthusiasts and professionals alike, it is a practical addition to any system seeking reliable and efficient cooling for high-speed storage. This heatsink embodies a balance of performance, design, and functionality, ensuring that M.2 SSDs operate at their peak without compromise. At number 3, we have the ID Cooling M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink. The ID Cooling M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink is designed to bring high-efficiency cooling to your SSD in a compact and user-friendly package. Its tiny yet convenient design makes installation remarkably simple, allowing users to enhance their system's thermal performance without complex setups or extra tools. Despite its small size, the heatsink proves to be highly effective, featuring double-sided thermal pads that deliver efficient heat dissipation from both sides of your SSD, ensuring stable performance even during demanding workloads. Engineered with versatility in mind, its compact form factor allows it to fit seamlessly into a wide range of systems, from high-performance gaming rigs to sleek mini PCs. The heatsink's aluminum construction, finished in anodized black, not only helps in dissipating heat efficiently, but also adds a touch of durability and sophistication to your build. This combination of design and functionality safeguards your SSD, maintaining optimal operating temperatures while protecting the integrity of your valuable data. With the ID Cooling M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink, users no longer have to compromise between size, performance, and convenience. Its thoughtful design caters to both enthusiasts and everyday users, offering a practical solution to heat management while ensuring your SSD runs reliably. Compact, efficient, and stylish, it elevates the cooling experience, making it an essential component for anyone looking to maximize the lifespan and performance of their NVMe storage. This heatsink proves that small components can make a big impact, combining intelligent engineering with user-friendly features to deliver an effective and dependable cooling solution for modern computing needs. Next up at number 2 is the Teucer M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink. The Teucer M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink is engineered to enhance the performance and longevity of your SSD by effectively managing heat. Installation is straightforward, with included thermal pads and screws, ensuring a secure fit. Its double-sided all-aluminum construction promotes efficient heat conduction, while the anodic oxidation surface treatment further increases the dissipation area, maximizing cooling efficiency. At the heart of its design is a silent rotating turbine cooling fan that works in harmony with PC air circulation to rapidly discharge heat, keeping the SSD at optimal temperatures even under heavy workloads. This system is engineered not only for performance, but also for the protection of your data, as the heatsink quickly absorbs and disperses heat to prevent overheating. Compact yet powerful, the Teucer heatsink is compatible with a wide range of M.2 NVMe SSDs and offers a reliable solution for gamers, content creators, and professionals who push their systems to the limit. By combining high-quality materials, innovative cooling technology, and thoughtful design, it ensures your SSD maintains peak performance while staying cool and safe. Every aspect of the Teucer M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink, from its anodized aluminum surface to its turbine fan, works together to create a balance of silent operation, rapid cooling, and effective heat management, delivering a dependable cooling solution that enhances both performance and system stability. This heatsink exemplifies a practical approach to SSD cooling, transforming high-speed storage into a more durable and efficient component of your computing setup. Finally, at number 1, we have the Jeyi M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink. The Jeyi M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink is engineered to elevate the performance and longevity of modern SSDs through advanced cooling technology. Operating at an impressively low noise level of just 3 decibels, it ensures that system acoustics remain virtually unaffected, allowing for a quiet computing environment even under heavy workloads. At the core of its design is a high-efficiency copper heatsink capable of rapidly dissipating heat to maintain optimal drive performance during extended use or intensive data transfers. Jeyi's patented design further enhances thermal management, strategically directing heat away from the SSD to prevent overheating and sustain consistent operation. The heatsink is crafted from a magnesium-aluminum alloy, offering exceptional thermal conductivity that efficiently transfers heat away from critical components. This combination of materials and design ensures that SSDs can operate at peak speeds without throttling due to temperature spikes. Universal compatibility makes the Jeyi Cooler 2 a versatile solution for a wide range of M.2 NVMe SSDs, accommodating various storage capacities and configurations. Its installation process is straightforward, enabling users to upgrade their storage cooling without complex modifications. Whether in high-performance gaming rigs, professional workstations, or compact desktop systems, this heatsink provides reliable cooling that supports the full potential of M.2 NVMe drives. By integrating quiet operation, rapid heat dissipation, and broad compatibility, the Jeyi M.2 NVMe SSD heatsink represents a thoughtful approach to maintaining system stability and SSD efficiency. Its robust construction and innovative design underscore a commitment to durability and performance, making it an essential accessory for those seeking reliable thermal management in modern computing environments. What an impressive lineup of SSD cooling options! Check the price link in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more trusted tech recommendations.